I'm boarding now to Kuala Lumpur. Exactly 8:11. Actually, it's supposed to be 8 a.m. There's a plane. We're about to board in the Cebu Pacific.
Sign is switched off. For your safety, we require you to keep your seatbelt loosely fastened whenever you're seated. This is a non-smoking flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detectors located in the lavatories is...
So I'm here now at the Kuala Lumpur International Airport, and thank God we're all safe travel. And now we're going to collect our luggage. So we just arrived 12:30. Just a few minutes late. Malaysia Kuala Lumpur International Airport is quite big, and you need to walk around. So that's it. I feel like chilling when I go out the aircraft. I don't know why. Maybe because of excitement. Yeah. So this is a walking escalator down to the luggage area. So I just passed on the immigration, and I will just collect my luggage now. The immigration is quite strict, but we went through. We have this this registration earlier, immigration, online immigration. So that's why in my parts it's just a few minutes on, but to some it's quite longer. There's my luggage. So I'm going to collect my luggage here. It says at carousel number 10. Sorry. Carousel number 10 pala. Carousel number 10. It's not carousel number 9. Here we go. Here's my luggage. Here it is. Yeah. So far so good. Nothing happened. So I'm going now. I will go out now to meet Pastor Ron. Thank God for Pastor Ron for picking me up here at KLIA, and actually is waiting for so long. I think for an hour. So see you soon, guys. Good morning. Gusto ko na-flex yung aking accommodation dito kay Pastor Ron. So I slept here. So it's like a hotel. Ang kanyang pong residence ay yan, overlook city. Ano ba yun? Overlook ang city. Yan. So labas tayo. Dito. So I slept here. Ganda ng place ni Pastor. Ayan. Tayo sa labas. Ito ang labas ni Pastor. Ayan. Dining place. Siguro natutulog pa sa Pastor. Ayan. Look at city view. It's outside. Ito yung kanyang terrace. Yan, so kita yung buong cloud, ano, so kita niyan, puro tree yan sa baba, puro trees. Ganda, no? So such a lovely place. So nandito tayo sa Sri Kembangan. Ano siya, parang other parts siya ng Kuala Lumpur. Ayan. Good place, isn't it? Ayan. So it's a lovely day today. So God bless everyone. Yeah, so dito kami ngayon ni Pastor sa ang tawag dito, Chinese Sunti restaurant. Ayan. So, order kami ito. Ang tawag dito, Pastor, ay quick chow. Quick chop of noodles. So, tignan nyo naman, ha. Napakaraming laman. So, hindi sa tinipid sa laman. Pwede tayo, Sunway pa rin to. Sorry. We're here at Canaan Land. Canaan Land pala yung Pastor, yun nasa KLCC last time. Canaan Land. Canaan Land pala. Akala ko yung Cornerstone.
Sarado na yun.
Looking for something? So we're looking for Bible.
Which language? Bango? Do you want?
Yeah, I'm looking for like ayun, dahil Bible, no? Konti lang ano nila, collection nila, no?
Bro, at lang ako, check lang sa taas.
Sige, Pastor. Sa taas mayroon din. I'm looking for the Bible like wallet. Ano para siyang wallet, wallet size. Pero parang ano to. Deza Park, ano? So we're visiting Deza Park Church, extension of KLBC. Yeah, Kuala Lumpur Baptist Church. Deza Park City. Ito walang Deza Park, ano? Deza Park. Pastor siya na gano'n din, ano? Yeah, now we're approaching Kuala Lumpur Baptist Church, Deza Park City. So we will visit inside.
Dan na kasi, ano? May event sila doon.
May event. Okay. Grabe ano dito, ano? Ang puno, ano?
Ibigay mo na sa address mo.
Park na park.
Hindi natin siya.
Okay.
Tolyo kanyo, pero masarap doon yung
ang lalaki ng hipon doon.
Ang lalaki ng hipon. Yun lang naman ang
Naku po,
parang wala naman kumakain dyan, te. Hindi naman pampiling yata ang ko na yan.
Doon sa ano? Parang doon sa unahan doon, para appealing doon, ha?
Parang dito kami nun ni Ani. Dito yata kami nun ni Ani kumain eh. Dito.
Dito mga dessert.
Puring daw.
Mga goreng. Mga goreng, mga ganito. Tsaka yung mga mangga-mangga. So we are here at ano lugar to? Ha?
Saloma Bridge.
Saloma Bridge. So we're going upstairs. Ayan yung Saloma Bridge. And we have the night food, night food market. Ayan. Later we will go up there on that bridge. Ayan. And that's at the KL Twin Tower. Later we're going inside there.
Ow!
Food trip. Parang mga yung talagang Malaysian food, para Yumi grilled chick, yumi lamb.
Mamili ka.
Dessert. Ito, dessert naman ito.
Ito, kanin. Ay, hindi yan nagkanin. Magkanin ka ngayon, Jo. Ayan, no.
Yung ano? Nasilamak. Nasilamak lang hinahanap ko dito.
Ay, nasilamak.
Nasilamak. Yung, o kaya yung chicken rice, parang gano'n. Padpakrapaw. Ano, dessert na dyan. Ano? So, yan. Nandito po kami ng aking pong mga pinsan. Yan.
Ang ganda natin
Yan.
dyan.
Dito kami sa, ano tawag dito?
Sa Luma Bridge.
Sa Loma Bridge. Ayan. Diba? Para kami mga avatar kulay blue ang mga balat. And on the way to Twin Tower. KLCC. Ayan. KLCC Twin Tower. Next KLCC. Ayan, nag-iba na ng kulay. Nag-iba sa ng kulay yan. Nag-iba sa ng kulay.
Ang ganda natin dyan.
Si Ate... Ayan, nag-iba ng kulay na naman, oh. Si Ate Joanne, si Ate Sita. Right? Small world. Ayan. Ayan, iba na naman. Kulay pula na. Ito yung Twin Tower. So, pupunta tayo doon. We will have dinner. Dinner sa Twin Tower. Okay.
Ano, Pastor, may naintindihan ka ate Rosita sa
So we're heading to KL Twin Tower.
Sa Loma Bridge. Pagka nandiyan na
Sa Loma, ayan. Sa Loma Bridge. Yun lang yung puntahan natin dito. Yung kanina yung bridge na nag-iba ng kulay. Ayan, yung Twin Tower. The Twin Tower. I think one of the tallest building in the world. Kasi yung tallest building ngayon nasa nasa Dubai, oh, yung Burj Al Arab. Ay, Khalifa pala. Burj Khalifa. Pero ito, taas din to. Oh.
Hindi na nakakisama talaga, no? Hindi nag-uulan.
Maahangin lang, ano?
Tapos, restaurant.
Okay. We'll see you later. So we'll find a place to makan.
Ganda natin dito, puti natin.
Ano yan? BG yan, BG.
BG ba?
BG.
Alak mo live.
Ayan o, Twin Tower. Here we go.
Hindi pa sila dun doon.
So we're about to cross. We need to go. Ay, dito maganda magpicture. Ayan o, pangkuha o.
Ayan o.
Look. Twin Tower. So this is like the central of Kuala Lumpur. Yeah. So we're now here at the center of Kuala Lumpur. Baka nag-umati na meeting. So this is the place where I've been worked before. 4 years ago. Yeah. Hello.
Hi!
Hello, Philippines. Yeah. We're here.
Gala kami ng gabi-gabi.
We're standing before the Twin Tower of Malaysia. Yeah. Truly Asia.
Ay, ka na nawala ka na sa linya.
Oh, we need to cross. We need to go across.
Nakatapos ako ng meeting. Wala akong naintindihan. Magtatanong na lang ako bukas kay busy.
Let's cross over to Twin Tower and to have a dinner. Let's find Nasi Lemak. Yeah. So we're going to cross across the other side for Twin Tower. We're now here at the center city, the capital city, Kuala Lumpur. There we go. You know, marami din tatawid. Nasamahan natin. Oh, tara. Tumayad na. Tatawid na ba? Eh, bakit yung iba hindi pa naman tumatawid? Nagpipicture lang sila. Picture lang sila. There we go. So we're going to cross here. Ang daming nagpa-picture, oh. Tayo, mag-picture rin tayo dito. Tara na, tawid na yata tayo sa kabila, oh. Tawid na ba? 6 na, 6. 5 na, 4. 3, 2, 1! Oh, one more. So count. Pagtakbo natin, naka-videohan ko pa.
Naka-video yun?
Oo, naka-video. Oh, tara. Let's go na. Red, red. Ba't tumatakbo kayo? Green pa naman siya. Green pa, oh.
Ayaw maabutan ng go.
Ay. Oh, there will be a Asian summit. Will be held here in Malaysia. Yeah, there's so much tourists who are capturing the Twin Tower. You will see that. See that closer.
Very dedicated.
So we're now here, very close, so much close here at Twin Tower. Petronas Twin Tower. Here we go, look at that. So you will see up. It's like a building made of metal. Inabot na tayo ng...
Parang ito lang wala nang hindi na tumaas sa kabila.
Meron din siyang meron din yung fountain sa kabila no? Yung dancing fountain.
Mas maganda nga yung doon
The dancing fountain.
Oo, sa kabila. Punta tayo doon. Kapakain muna tayo.
Kung kayo kakain, so may malapit po.
Dito tayo dumaan sa kabila. Oo. Parang hindi na tayo mahilo.
Okay. So this is actually the office of Petronas. Ano?
Ito pala ang kanila.
So we'll go inside the KLCC Soria. So this is the mall inside the Twin Tower. And we're going to have dinner. Hindi ba close na to? Ha?
Parang nga.
Close na sila?
Close.
Ha? It's close now?
It's almost close.
It's close now. It's close now.
Kailan lang palang maunang mag-picture.
Ito tayo dito. Ano tayo? 1, 2, 3, ikot. Ikot tayo, ikot. 360 yan. Yung tower. Diba?
Ikot ka nila natin.
Kaya hindi kayo. 360. Okay. Yan ang KL, yan ang Kuala Lumpur, capital of Malaysia. Ang daming tourist. Oh.
Ano ba ito? Masisi, ano to?
Yan, time check. Ano na, 11:20 ng gabi. Magdi-dinner pala kami. Kasi nasarahan ng KLCC. Yan, yan. In-order namin ito yung number 1 food of Malaysia, nasi lemak. Meron siyang mani. Yan. Meron siyang chicken, egg, and meron din siyang parang tawag dito? Ano tawag dito? Dilis. And then meron siyang special sauce. It's called nasi lemak. Tingnan natin kung ano yung order pa nila. So yeah, I'll go to KL alone and I'll take this MRT Damansara Damai. So last night we ate here in this Canbar Bistro. Food is fantastic. So I'm going now alone because Ate Rosita is working, so she's not available to go with me. So I will go alone, take this MRT station to Kuala Lumpur or KLCC. So if I can take this MRT to KL. Yeah, here. So let's take it. So I need to buy a ticket to Ampang Park first, and here's the ticket machine. I need to pay exact amount, and I don't have enough tickets there. I'm so sorry. So yeah, I need to go to Persharan KLCC. So I go this side. So I took this ticket. I had only like 50 dirhams, so the 50 dirhams is not enough. And
make sure you stand inside the yellow light. The handrail firmly.
The ticket assistants are so good. She helped me to buy one. I have only four ringgit.
And make sure you stand inside the yellow light while holding the handrail firmly. At pastikan Anda berdiri di bawah garisan kuning serta pegang sisian tangan dengan erat.
Going to Persharan KLCC. This looks like I'm here at the MRT from Damansara going to KLCC.
Stasiun berikutnya
agent is walking distance daw yung mga 10 minutes yung KLCC Surya or KLCC Mall, which is the Twin Tower. So I will just, so this is their platforms here at KL or Malaysia. So this is how they look like. So I'm here at Persharan KLCC. So I need to go out to let me see, let me check here. Where should I go out? Do I need to go out here? Going way to, let me ask. So I just asked the ticket agent, so she said I need to go back the other side platform. Yun, the other side daw, kasi pag dito daw ako lumabas, kailangan ko daw sa mag-cross the road before I go to KLCC. So, unlike the other side is just walking nearby to KLCC. So, I need to take this side. So this is, and you know, this LRT or MRT station platform is actually air conditioned, see, and well ventilated. It's like you're like inside the mall as well. Very good transportation. So this is a ticket. So I think I need to drop this here. So drop like this, and it's open for you. Here you go. So that's the final look of the station. So I see you around. So yeah, I'm going up now here with, from the station Persharan KLCC, and so I need to go up here. Yeah, alright, this area is still yeah, this area is still air conditioned. Yeah, see, so this is the Persharan KLCC. Ayan, Pintu Jalan Binjai, Kelwar. Yeah, ibig sabihin ng Kelwar ano. So this place is like still under construction, I think. Maybe no, it's not. So it's working now. So I think saan ba ako bababa? Do I need to go up here? Hindi ko alam kung aakit ako dito. Tignan natin. So here we go. We're outside now. We're outside the MRT. And hindi ko alam kung saan ito. So mamaya dito rin ako babalik sa Persharan KLCC. So I'm here now going to the KLCC. There you are. That's the KLCC tower. And look at the place. This place like the looks like Makati City. So that's a KLCC. So we're just walking like 10 minutes, and this is their church, like my God, look at surroundings. Ito yung church nila, so dito sila nagpe-pray o like nagsisimba. So I'm walking down to KLCC. Yeah, this is inside the KLCC Mall. This is what you can see at the KLCC. Yeah, okay. Siguro pwede mag-live tayo. So go around. I turn around. Go around. This is the center of KLCC Mall. IC-Tan. Meron dito ng IC-Tan, ano? Diba meron dito ng IC-Tan sa Philippines? IC-Tan ba yun? Tama. Sa... Yan. The food court is downstairs, so we'll see. I think the food court is upstairs, so we will go upstairs. So let's go upstairs. Yan, so ilibot ko kayo dito sa park ng KLCC Surya, KLCC Mall. It's actually the KLCC Twin Tower. Yan. KLCC Twin Tower yan. KLCC Surya. Sige, ililipit ko kayo. So, magla-live ako. Magla-live tayo. So, maganda sana kung yeah. So, we're going to walk here in the park. But at night, mas maganda siya kasi meron siyang yung show ba. So I'm here now at the station of MRT Rapid KL. I need to take this single ticket to Damai. Damai. And I need to put like 420. So one. Is it here? Is it here? Come on here. Let's start going inside there. Who's taking the money? This is actually is it good? The money. A little bit hard to Damai. I need to go to Damai. Yeah, but then I need to put is it confirmed? Cash. Okay. So I need to put in the cash. Okay, yun. And this one is 420. 1, 2, and 4. And also like 20 cents. 20 cents here. And there you are. Yeah. So yeah, I finally got this ticket. So let's go to their station. Ganito ang station nila rito. So organized, and if you don't know how to get your tickets, you cannot, di ka pwede makapag there you go. So this way to Hotel, and you have to tap this ticket here, and then it will open, and we need to go down here. We need to go down here. Platform 1. So yeah, so I hope it will happen also in the Philippines, this kind of transportation. Yeah. So para sa subway. So here is Ampang Park. So we're going back to Damansara Damay. Ayan, nahirapan akong kumuha ng ticket. Time check. Ano na? 11:20 ng gabi. Magdi-dinner pala kami. Kasi nasarahan ng KLCC. Yan, yan. In-order namin ito yung #1 food of Malaysia, nasi lemak. Meron siyang mani. Yan. Meron siyang chicken. Meron din siyang parang ano tawag ito? Ano tawag ito? Dilis. And then meron siyang special sauce. It's called nasi lemak. Tingnan natin kung ano yung order pa nila. Sige. May chicken pa sa loob. Yan. Yung nasi mamaw. Meron siyang chicken. Yan. Okay. Ito naman ay yung coconut shake. Coconut shake. Yan. Coconut shake. Tingnan nyo naman yung laki niya. Makan. So ito naman yung tinatawag na cheese naan. Ayan, meron siya mga iba't ibang cheese naan. Yan, order pa sila ng chicken tandoori. Ayan, chicken tandoori. With sauce. May mincho. May mincho sauce nila. Hello everyone, we're here now at Genting Highlands. Yan, this is the top view here at Genting Highlands. How about dun sa dun sa bear? Hindi kayo picture? Mamaya. Yan, kasama ko si Ate Sita. Yan. Yan. Nag-off day off pa yan para samahan ako. Yan. Ganda oh. Nice view. Here at Genting Highlands. Okay. This is actually a new site of Genting Highlands. Later on, we will go to the old sites of Genting Highlands. Yeah, look at the view. You see the view of the mountains. Wow. Yung hangin dito ang lamig. No? Oh, ang lamig. Ang lamig, yes. Okay. See you later. Hello everyone, we're now here at Highlands Skyway. Actually the old Skyway, but the other side. We have tried the new Skyway. Unfortunately it's closed today until tomorrow. Until tomorrow it will be open. So we just purchased here this ticket for the Skyway. And cable rather. This is Sky Cable. Sky Cable. Sama ko si Sita sa Skyway. This old Skyway is actually higher than the new Skyway cable. This is the Skyway that I had tried when I am working here in Malaysia. So I will try it again. This is the 4th times I think I will try this. Hopefully it will be safe for this Skyway. So I see you later. Hello, we're here now at the cable car. Thank you. Mamaya order nila yun. May cellphone naman tayo. Ba tayo nakakaalis eh? Ganda sa harap. Camera ko, ano eh? Harap ko.
Anong unit yan?
Ano to? Honor.
Honor.
O, yan na po. Dito na tayo.
Let's go!
Parang first time nung kasama natin. Look at that.
Mas mataas nga yung sa labas. Nice.
No, I think going on
Genting. Ayun.
Hindi lang nag-live eh. Genting Skyway.
I mean, I caught that. Yeah. Same.
and then they don't want to
Here at the Skyway.
Because it's live and there. So is it that live or that?
This is the first ever Skyway in Malaysia.
Kita ambil gambar? Daripada ni put your next and wait.
Medyo mainit ano, walang hangin. Walang hangin. Wow.
Ayaw kong tumingin sa baba.
Okay dah.
Tignan nyo yung babae.
Kak, you cannot, I got here.
I don't know. Actually, that time I got it before.
We're high in the sky. Yeah.
Bakit sa aeroplano hindi nakakatakot? Bakit sa skyway?
Oo nga, no?
Mas mataas ang
Mas mataas nga yung ano.
Cute tak? Tak. Lawa.
Skyway.
Muna ambil lagi, Muna. He's standing on the line.
Okay, we are here at Skytropolis Indoor Theme Park. Hindi, ano lang yung video lang. So indoor indoor theme park. Parang ano lang eh, no? Parang Star City. Tapos doon may mga food court doon eh. Mga rides. Doon sa banda rin yata yung kainan, di ba?
Oo, yun doon kayo na. Dinaanan natin.
Doon, oh, dito. Sa labas doon. Tama, dito. Lalabas tayo dito. We're looking for the food court. Saan kami kakain? Gosong. Ayan, restaurant overseas. Yan. Gotong Baru. Ha? Hapon. Yeah, we're here now ordering our food. Finally, we saw this bilihan o baka mag-vlog. Ayan. This is chicken rice. Tignan pa natin yung mga mga chicken dito. Tingnan mo yun. Ito yung chicken roasted nila. Ayan. Sarap, di ba? So tayo magbabayad sa It's only 15 ringgit. Mura na siya. Cheaper but tasty. Ayan, dito kami ni Ate Sita sa Genting Sky World. Ay, Sky World? Sa Resort World, Genting Islands. So, kumain kami ng famous food nila dito, yung chicken rice. Ano to? Chicken roasted steam. May sabaw pa siya. Yan. Yummy. It's only 15 dirhams. Dirhams? Ringgit. Tapos may mga pwede kayong kumuha ng mga side dish na mga sauce niya. Sarap siya. Ganda sa harap. Camera ko baka ano
Anong unit yan?
Ano to? Honor.
Honor.
O, yan ako. Dito tayo.
Let's go!
Parang first time nung kasama natin. Look at that.
Mas mataas nga yung sa taas. Nice.
Pinang life eh. Genting Skyway.
Amin ang kanya? Yung...
Skyway.
So, is it live?
This is the first ever Skyway in Malaysia.
Kita pegang apa? Daripada ni kuih Alex.
Medyo mainit na walang hangin. Wow. Alam niyo yung babae.
I don't know.
We're high in the sky. Yeah.
Bakit sa aeroplano hindi nakakatakot? Bakit sa Skyway?
Oo nga.
Mas mataas ang
mas mataas nga yung
Kita.
Skyway.
Muna, lagi muna.
Hello. We're here at Pasar City. It's like ano ba to? Like Divisoria.
Oo.
Parang Divisoria in the Philippines. Ayan. Or parang Chinatown. Ayan. Kasama ko pa rin si Ate Sita. Ayan. Yan. Lagi na kaming pagod. Sana may
natin dito.
ano yan? Mga pabango-pabango. Magaling. Yan ang Pasar City dito. Yan. Pasar City. Dito naman may mga pabango.
Hanapin ko yung laruan ni Joy.
Oh, sige, saan? Sana tinanong mo pala kay ano.
Ha?
Bye! So that is Pasar City.
Kanino po itatanong?
Hindi, sino ba tumawag sa'yo kanina? Di ba may tumawag sa'yo kanina? Si Ate Eva pala yun. Akala ko si ang tumawag sa'yo, si Annie or si...
Si Marie. Pero wala din. Hindi naman alam ni Marie. Hindi para karating dito si Marie.
Pasar City.
Nakulat mag-picture dito yun.
Oo.
Kaya lang.
Ang dami nagpipicture yun.
Daming tao eh. Pa mabibili yung card ni Joy na yun.
Okay, see you later. dito kami ngayon sa, ano bang lugar to? Sa Hamadiya Bistro. Yeah, with it's a CG group of KLBC leaders. Yeah. JP. Order kami nito. Tawag ito. Oh, ito yung famous na food dito. Yan. Anong tawag sa luto nito?
Ayam masamira.
Ayam masamira. Ayam masamira. Tapos biryani rice. Ayan. Ayan o. Sarap niya. Lalaki ng manok dito, ano? Ayan, mga CG members kasama ko ngayon. Si Pastor, si Sister Elaine. Ayan. Dito pa rin sa Ampang. JP, si Danny. Ayan, yung mga kasama ko sa KLBC. Okay. Hello, I'm here at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia with Rubini, Sister Luisa, and Sister Tess. Yeah. It's 13 years, after 13 years? 13 years or 12 years? 8 years ako sa Abu Dhabi. It's like 12 years. 12 years. Yeah, it's like 12 years. Yeah, now we met. We have met. Yeah. Yeah, Jalan Alor. Yeah, here at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Yeah, so I ordered the food I miss here. Yeah. So this is the quick chow.
Yes.
Char quick chow. Yeah. Look at the food. And this sugar cane. This is a sugar cane. Okay.
And the duck.
This one is?
Duck.
Yeah.
Ginger duck.
It's like Peking duck. Ginger duck. See? So if you want to go here at KL, you can drop by here at Jalan Alor, and you will see all kinds of foods here. Okay, bye for now. Okay, hello, we're back again. We're still here at KLCC Surya, KLCC Mall. Yeah, that is the Twin Tower. Yeah, yun yung Twin Tower. Sa likod ko, yan. So, ililibot ko kayo sa park ng Twin Tower. Yan. Look at that. So that is the Twin Tower. Actually, nasa kabila yan. Nasa kabila yan. KLCC Twin Tower. So, samahan nyo ako. Samahan nyo akong mamasyal. So, we just walk around in the park. So, this one actually is good to walk around pagka sa umaga. Parang exercise na rin. So, yan, lakad-lakad tayo. So, medyo mainit na ng konti kasi alas 2 dito, like 2:30 ang oras lang. Ay, 2:45 so yan, so ilibot ko kayo dito sa park ng KLCC. Yan, so parang nakapunta na rin kayo dito sa KL, sa KLCC. Yan, KLCC, meron siyang bagong tinatayo, like tower, a new tower. So what you can appreciate in this place is the trees, plants and trees. Yeah. So let's go up here. Let's go around and see. Meron siyang ano yun, parang ano tawag dito? Baliti ba tawag dito sa puno na to? This trees. Ayan. Mga puno. Ayan. Lalaki ng mga puno. Ayan. So yan. So, meron siya ritong ano, running ang tawag dito, yung rubber running rubber to eh. Ayan o. Ayan. Ito rubber yan o. Malambot siya. Parang jogging area. Ayan. So that's it. So medyo mainit dito. Ganda dito pagka meron din silang drinking fountain dito. Ayan, drinking fountain kung gusto nyo uminom. Ayan. Ayan, ito pala yung ano, ayan, may mga fountain show dyan paggabi. Doon meron din siyang tawag dito whale. Ayan. Ayan, dito meron, pwede kayo mag-picturean dito. Ayan. Let's see the Twin Tower. So yun yung Twin Tower, nakita yung Twin Tower. So meron siya dito parang bridge. Ito yung picturean. Picture. Sorry. Ayan. Yung tower. Ayan. So, mamaya. So I just bring you around the park. And the park is it's good, relaxing. So we're about to go down now. We'll go down. Pwede yata yung 20. Yeah, we'll just take rest. Pag napagod na kayo, para namang parang ginawa ko, meron pa akong scarf. Kaya pala yung aking lege basa na. Kasi meron akong nakasuot na ito yung parang scarf. Timer na. Sira na yata yung timer. Sa video paano nag-blink-blink yung oras, ano? Hindi mo siya actually nag-blink. So I will go back now actually to Visita's place. Hanap na bumalik. So meron daw pwede raw akong mag KLC's I will take the train going back to station, to my station. Yan. Yung mga skyscrapers na. When I was here dati, wala pa yung mga matataas na ano na yan, mga residence na yan. So I will go back to KLCC to take the trains. Ang gano, dito na lang ako sumakal. Train station. Dito na lang ako. So bye for now.